Did you ever work out with a Peloton? Or how about Wii Fit? Whether it's CrossFit or hot yoga, workout trends come and go, and a new fad always seems to make a splash in the market. Now, people are working out in the Metaverse. People can work out virtually and reap the benefits physically. All you have to do is put on the VR headset and decide how you would like to burn your calories. You could go for a run with friends or even take fitness classes with real instructors in the Metaverse. Consumers like VR workouts for many of the same reasons that other workout trends catch on: convenience and cost. If you decide that you want to get a quick workout in, you can do it from the comfort of your home instead of having to go to a gym. And there's only a one-time cost of buying the VR headset, so you don't have to worry about paying the monthly membership at a gym. However, there are a few downsides to virtual fitness. If you don't know how to properly work out, a virtual trainer may not take the time to show you. You also might not feel as motivated in your own home as you would in a gym. For some people, going to a physical gym is a part of their workout routine and experience. Would you work out in the Metaverse? Let us know in the comments below.